Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download any TikTok video. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to download a TikTok video, first head over to the TikTok app on your mobile device. Then once you're in the TikTok app, scroll through the videos until you find one that you want to download. So once you've found the video, long press on it until you bring up another menu. And then next, you'll see the option that says Save Videos. So if you tap on Save Video, this video will now be saved to your phone's gallery. So if I head over to my gallery, you'll see that I now have this video downloaded on my phone. And that's all it takes to download any TikTok video on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel.